Hi, this is my first unboxing video. I don't have a LCS, so I do a lot of my shopping with CaptcanComics.ca. Great bunch of people, great books, great service. Can't recommend them enough. It looks like we did take a little bit of a hit here on the corner. I'm not too worried because things tend to be quite well packed in these boxes. They have a real nice hold box service where they'll hold on to your stuff when you buy it until you see fit to have it shipped. And then when it is, you get a deal because you're not getting every little order shipped out every time you buy. In this purchase, it's a little bit interesting because some of the books in this order are for somebody else. Every year, this is my second year involved over at the CBCS forums, or, grading service forums. There is a Secret Santa organized, and last year it was a lot of fun. I got some cool books. I bought some cool books for someone else. It's kind of fun when you're buying books that are out of your wheelhouse to fit someone else's tastes. I know what I like. I like Bronze Age books. I like horror books. I like oddball books, like ROM and Micronauts. And for example, Cobra, number 1, 7.5. That was one of my Christmas gifts last year. Love it dearly, wouldn't get rid of it for the world. Okay, so what do we have here? Our first book up is The Incredible Hulk 244. That is one of the books for the recipient of my Secret Santa gift. He had asked for Bronze Age Marvel and 80s Independence. Here's the next book up, Villains and Vigilantes, number 1 from the 4-issue miniseries by Eclipse Comics. Next up, again from the 80s Independence. This one's got some, as you can see, some creasing on the front cover. Could use a little pressing TLC, but we got Bloodwing number 1, again by Eclipse. Next up, we have Kazar number 9. Why did I buy this one? I just like the cover. You got Big Bird there, and it looks fun. Mind you, I don't know what you guys think. I hated these huge banner ads, like this one and the Toys R Us contest. I feel like they totally take away from the cover. Okay, next up, The Mighty Avengers, number 253. So far, all of these are for my Secret Santa. We got Hercules, number 1 from the limited series. All right, again, Eclipse Comics, The Liberty Project, number 1. Well, next up, we've got one that has a huge sticker on the front. Obviously, they graded it fine, very fine. We've got Daredevil 189. Again, I'm looking at some wrinkling near the spine. I think that can use some TLC. Here's a book from Cerebus Aardvark, Vanaheim. Normal Man, number 1. I gotta say, 80s independent comics aren't my bag typically, but this book looks like a lot of fun. And next up, we've got Eclipse Comics, Scorpio Rose, number 1. And another Aardvark Vanaheim, Cerebus, number 85. Again, nothing special about this. It just looked like it was in real nice shape. And I liked the cover. Something about it. And here is by far my favorite one. I'm so torn. I could totally keep this because I love the cover. But from PC Comics, we've got Alien Worlds number 4. I love that cover. That would look amazing slabbed and on my wall at work. All right, so those are books that I have no plans of keeping. As much as I wish I could. All right, next up are a couple of free books that I picked up around Halloween. Here we've got Wonder Woman, Tempest Tossed. Because when it comes to free books, I grab them and we'll see what I think after. All right, now we've got Wonder Woman Day Special Edition. I kind of like that cover. And I hopped on the same train as everybody else. We've got House of Slaughter, number 1, foil cover. And we've got Venom, number 1, the Hin-Yuk Lee variant edition. So far, I'm not seeing any books with corner dings from that box. All right, here is, I love movie homage covers, regardless of what the book is. Hence, I have a whole bunch of Stray Dogs. But here is a book that I had never heard of. I don't have the first 2, but damn, I love that cover. Suicide Jockeys, number 3. What's that an homage to? I think that's an homage to Iron Eagles, the movie. I don't know. All right, They tape these all together in bundles based on your order. So if they pull, if you do a pre-order and 4 books hit that that week from your pre-order, you'll usually find those 4 books taped together. All right, here we go. Oh, this is a really recent purchase. Here we've got Suicide Squad King Shark #3. I've got a whole bunch of the variants from issue 1 and 2. I've always loved sharks since I was a little kid. Went to see Jaws at a unreasonably young age, and I've been in love with sharks ever since. This is a really great cover. Who's it? That's a Matina cover. That is amazing. I'm really liking that cover. And here was I believe this was a ratio cover. This is Batman #117. I picked this up because I passed on a few of these video game homage covers, but I just really like the art on this one. The artist's name escapes me, but I did have at one point the Spider-Woman cover that she had did, and sold that for a really nice amount of money. And I try and get everything she does. I'm not usually a DC guy, but I like that cover. All right, here's another shark-based cover. This is from DC's Black Label, Refrigerator Full of Heads, #1. And yeah, very nice cover. And I really quite liked Basket Full of Heads. So I'm looking forward to reading that. Here we've got looks like the Virgin cover from Primordial #2. This Primordial is kind of moving along pretty slow, and what can I say? It's interesting. It's holding my interest, but boy, something better pan out soon. All right, here, a cover so nice, I bought it twice. Again, Refrigerator Full of Heads. All right, we'll free up the next bundle of victims. And this might be my first video, but from what I understand, there's a certain length of video that YouTube likes. I think we're gonna keep it. All right, here we go. This is the Halloween Extravaganza, Miles Morales Spider-Man #1. And the Halloween Extravaganza, Daredevil Road to Devil's Reign. Hopefully Devil's Reign turns out to be a thing. And Halloween Extravaganza, I'm rearranging the book because I want to talk about the next one a little bit. Halloween Extravaganza, Star Wars The High Republic #1. I had a lot of variants of these, sold a couple. Not sure I kind of like the High Republic, but it's there. And the Halloween extravaganza, Hawkeye #1. Now, as I record this, the Hawkeye Disney Plus series dropped yesterday, and I got up at about I woke up at about 4:30 in the morning and thought, what the heck, there it is, let's watch it. And I loved it. I did. Can't wait to watch more. Not gonna say too much about it, as I don't want to spoil it for anybody. I know there's a lot of people who like to hang tough and watch it all in one go. All right, now this is kind of a guilty pleasure for me. Here we've got, by Archie Comics, Chilling Adventures in Sorcery #1. And Chilling Adventures in Sorcery #1, the variant cover. Why is that my guilty pleasure? My stepdaughter got me hooked on Sabrina, and it's a ton of fun to watch, especially when you're watching it together. And I kind of dig the art style. And last book up, I've got the first print of this, and I didn't want to monkey around with it. This is the one I'll probably actually touch with my bare fingers to read. But we've got the third printing of Gun Honey #1. All right, that's it. We're wrapping it up. Thank you for watching. If you stuck around this long, please feel free to like, subscribe, call your mom, tell her to like and subscribe, and you know what? Yeah, call your mom anyway, because she, no matter what she says, she really wants to hear from you. All right, that's it.